everybody, this is the Lamley showcase. You were looking at the two convention cars, but you've already seen them enough times. You've seen us open them. Julian Coyles, the
lead packaging designer
at Mattel for RLC and for Premium and such, opened those two up. And then we had Jimmy open up the Corvette from the RLC, right? So we have one more model to do. It is the finale model given out to attendees on Saturday night. Mattel will give its final sneak peek presentation, and that model is right here, and it is a beauty. It is the 66 Dodge A100 van in a Route 66 deco. And in keeping with this theme, you know he's here because you've heard his voice. Julian is gonna come in and open this one up. We're gonna show this off. Attendees are picking these models up right now, but we wanted to show you what it looked like as early as possible. So Julian, get on in here. Let's talk about this pretty model. I've got this kind of glare going, so pick it up so we can kind of see it. There we go. It's in this, what is that? Kind of a satin olive green? I don't know what yet. I don't describe colors very well. What do you think?
That's Julian? A good description of this color.
Yeah? Okay. All right, well then good. Let's take it out of the protector. Thank you, Julian. I feel good inside. All right. That is a beautiful model. Any thoughts on the deco, on why that was chosen or anything? I don't know if we know. Jimmy, you know anything about it? The deco for the Dodge A100? Okay. All we know is it's cool.
The Route 66.
Has the Route 66 on it, right?
Which I mentioned the other day. Is
yes.
What this packaging is
yesterday, right?
Yes, it was yesterday.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay. And we're looking at, this is the number 3 of 3, so that means it's the third car. Obviously the drag bus and the Camaro were the first. You can pull, let's see the other side of it. Let's see what we're ripping open to. What number? 3182, that ain't bad. There's a bunch of mumbo jumbo. I see your name there because you designed the logo. All right, should we open this thing up?
Let's do it.
Okay. Make sure I'm filming.
I was on there.
You gotta sign that card too now. I can always tell you get a little nervous when you open these up. And that's good, we're helping you with, this is good therapy for you.
There it is.
Oh, that is really, really pretty. Let's see the other side. So we've got some other writing there, I noticed. I can't even see what that says. That might be just some of the information. Looks like it, yeah, some of the information on the convention. Looks like it has kind of a, is it kind of a patina look down at the bottom around the wheels? Some sort of maybe dirt or something like that. That looks kind of cool. Let's see the front. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks cool. Van did a nice job on that one. And the back. Okay, there you go. So there are all 4 of the models here. In fact, let's put them all together. We've got the RLC. Here, you want to go grab that DeLorean? The one I opened, or the one that Manson opened?
Let's just open another one.
No, don't open another one. Camaro. They might think I whine after this video. Okay, so we have the drag bus, we have the Camaro, we have the Corvette, we have the dinner DeLorean that's coming soon. Come on, Julian, we already opened this one.
On its way.
There we go. Beautiful. Once that we had Manson even sign there on the hood, which looks nice. And now we finish it off with this beautiful Dodge A100. That is quite the crew here. Oh, this one doesn't want to stay. There we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There's your family of exclusives from the Lombard Hot Wheels Nationals, done by Mattel, done by Hot Wheels. That is a nice group of cars. Anything else you want to say, Julian?
Did you want me to sign that card?
Yeah, I want you to sign all these cards. But you can sign that finale one. Is that the finale one? Yeah, I think it is. If you're ever at an event with Julian and you open something, you gotta find him and have him sign it. He's there. See, now I've got all the things I need. I can go home. Hey, thanks guys for doing this. That was a fun video to do. We'll take these home and display them. We'll do this again in LA. Sound good? Yeah. Thanks everybody. Bye.